Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is polynuclear hydrocarbons. Polynuclear hydrocarbons contains two or more benzene rings fused together. These are also called polycyclic aromatic compounds. Okay. For example, naphthalene contains two benzene rings fused together. Other common examples are anthracene, phenanthracene, etc. Naphthalene, this is naphthalene, this is anthracene, this is phenanthracene, this is pyridine. Okay, and now this major source of this polynuclear hydrocarbons is coal tar, and position in the naphthalene ring are indicated by numbers. This way I can write. And two isomeric monos monosubstituted naphthalenes are differentiated by prefix 1 and 2 and alpha and beta and gamma. This is the alpha, beta, gamma, or 1 to 2. Okay. This is the alpha naphthalene. This is the alpha naphthalene because position of the OH is alpha positions. Otherwise, it can be written 1 naphthalene, or position of the naphthalene is beta naphthol. And for highly substituted naphthalenes, the positions of the groups are indicated by numbers. Like this in here, you can see you can see 1,5-dinitronaphthalene, because in here 1 2 3 4 5 1 5 dinitronaphthalene, 2 4 dinitro 1 naphthalamine 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 dinitro naphthalamine. Naphthalene and other polynuclear aromatics hydrocarbons show many of the chemical properties similar to benzene. The volatile arenes are highly inflammable and burn with a yellow sooty flame. Many of these polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbons are toxic and some are carcinogenic. Carcinogenicity and toxicity of the polynuclear hydrocarbons. Most polynuclear hydrocarbons are carcinogenic in nature. It has been observed that the people who work under prolonged exposure to coal tar tend to suffer from skin cancer. A group of British chemists have studied that high boiling fluorescent fractions of coal tar produces cancer. The major component of the fraction was found to be 1,2-benzyl Benjan Thassen. This is the 1,2-Benjan Thassen. Later, researchers have shown that many other polynuclear hydrocarbons, such as 3-methyl, this is the 3-methylene cholan Thassen, 1,2-benzapyrene, Okay, and 9,10 dimethyl are carcinogenic nature in nature. Okay, 9,10 dimethyl 1,2 benzyl thrasen. I will show the structures there. Okay, the, etc. all are carcinogenic in nature. It may be noted that there is no general rule by which one can predict the carcinogenic activity of hydrocarbons or the derivatives. However, the number of the positions of some groups, such as CH3OH, CN. This is the 9,10 dimethyl 1,2-benzene, and this is 1,2,5,6 dibenzene. So have been found to influence the carcinogenic activity of polynuclear hydrocarbons. Since polynuclear hydrocarbons are formed by incomplete combustions of organic materials such as coal, petroleum, tobacco, etc., when these polynuclear hydrocarbons enter into human body, they undergo various biochemical reactions and finally damage DNA and ultimately leads to cancer. Thanks for watching. I hope I can describe the hydrocarbons, and if you like my I hope that you like my videos.